Hi, my name is Anvi. Today we're gonna do a rain experiment. It's gonna be fun. We need boiling water that is really hot. We need a glass and ice. Let's start. First, my mom poured the hot glass of boiling water, and do you see the vapors coming up? It's not clear. Now let's put the ice on top of it. The vapor comes up to the ice, and the ice makes the foam of rain come down. Hot glass now. Rain came from the vapor, touched the ice and came down like rain. Hope you like my video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.